Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today we are doing an inventory lash unboxing. We have a lot to talk about because this vendor really tried it. Not my lash vendor, but we'll talk about it in a little bit. But before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Check out my businesses, Instagram, Casino Lashes. Follow me on Instagram, Madam Brittany. And let's go ahead and get into this video, you guys. So, if you watched my last video, my last entrepreneur vlog, you know I ordered liquid lipsticks. And I was actually kind of disappointed in them. Like, not the quality itself, but actually everything else. Except the shipping. The shipping wasn't bad, but everything else. This is like one of the liquid lipsticks. I actually really liked the formula. I put it on camera and stuff, so watch that. The pictures they showed me, the lid was not rose gold. It was gold. And then they even had it labeled as just gold instead of rose gold. And then I told them, so I want the label on here to match the top. And at the time I thought it was gold, so I was like gold or match the lid. I said both things. So I feel like they should have known. But they did this one in like goldish. They put it in gold and then the lid is rose gold. But I was also really disappointed in this gold itself because looking at it, it's not the gold I was expecting. I was expecting like a glossy, like foil gold type of thing. I'm trying to look around my desk and see if I have anything over here that like shows what I was expecting, but I just wasn't expecting this printing. Like looking at it, it looks like yellow. And then it just looks a mess. And the box looks a mess. So you can definitely see this is yellow on the box. Like, they wouldn't let me change the design of the box. But I just hated it a lot. I really did. I tried to talk to them about it. I ended up, like, doing a dispute. So this is all on Alibaba, you guys. So I filed a dispute, told them I wasn't happy with it. At first, and it was just complete false advertising because I really thought this was gold. Like my brand's color is gold, so I can't just come out with something rose gold. I felt at the time like they basically just tried to tell me all these ways I knew, and I showed them they had it labeled as gold, and then she turned around and said, oh, that was my colleague's mistake. Well, you just admitted that you all made a mistake. I feel like I'm really close to y'all. You just admitted that you all made a mistake. That should give me some kind of refund, right? Like, she just said, oh, that was my colleague's mistake. I did the dispute, and then she, like, responded to it through AliExpress, and she said, and it was, like, $0 refund. I could have escalated it or canceled the whole dispute, but I decided to cancel the dispute because I ended up doctoring the lip gloss tubes a little bit, and I ended up liking them. Hold on, let me show you them. Okay, so I actually don't have a printer at home, but that I like, but I went to Avery.com because I've seen a lot of lip gloss people use those, and I got them to make labels. So y'all, I went like a full scientist. Like, so I bought like real acetone, dipped a Q-tip in the acetone, and I had to like lightly rub it off on every single tube I had. And I feel like I shouldn't have to go through that like work. So I rubbed off the logo they printed with the acetone. Then the Avery labels also cost $30. So that was extra money I had to spend because they decided to do false advertising. They couldn't print my logo right. And the logo printing was an extra fee altogether. If they would have just sent me these, they could have shipped them the same day, and then it would have been $50 less. So I wasted that money, and I wasted extra time because I could have gotten them sooner. But I feel like this looks really cute actually. Like, so let me show you the before and after. This one definitely looks better, and then that's the, wait, this is the before and after. So yeah, I had to apply all the labels myself, take off the old labels myself on most tubes. I didn't do all of them, but I did most of them. But that's not the part that's just where they tried it. I have my iPad right here, you guys. It's so cute. Little composition book. But so they messaged me. I didn't read it. They messaged me maybe a week ago this. I posted it on the post section. I asked you all's opinion. Thank you all for responding. I agree with you guys, but let me read this message for people who didn't see it. It says, "Good evening, dear. I am really sorry that you don't like our logo printing this time. We will try to do it best and will definitely give you the best price next time, no matter what products you order. Dear, if no offensive, could you please delete the 1-star review, please? Dear, this is very important for me because now our company is ready to lay off employees and I may be fired because of this. Dear, I know our communication misunderstanding caused you to be dissatisfied with our logo printing, but we promise that this will not happen again. Could you please give us another chance? Sorry to bother you. Thanks again." So if you all haven't ordered from AliExpress, you all so it's like each extra thing you get, it's an extra thing on your order. So the lip gloss tube was one price. And then I added the logo printing. That's another price. So that's like getting a second product. And then the third price was the shipping. So that's like getting 3 products. So when I rated this transaction, you rate it 3 different times. You're rating the product itself, the logo, and then the shipping. So I gave the logo 1 star. I gave 1 4-star and then 1 5. Because I was just being honest. I mean, I really like my lips don't get dry. I like the consistency of this. But she wants me to change that. Even though I was completely honest. I wasn't being too hard on them or anything. I was just saying that this looks yellow. I didn't like the logo printing. It's not like what I thought it would be. And this isn't a color I sent them. I told them to make it gold. So they put the color. But I didn't read this message right away because I was just over the whole thing since it seemed like I wasn't getting my money back. So she ended up messaging me again maybe 2 days later saying, "Sorry, dear, to bother you. Have you read the message? Message me again." That's when I posted it. I hadn't seen it for at least a week. That's when I posted it on YouTube in the little community section. And most of you were saying no, you cannot just delete a review. I'm over here getting comfortable. You cannot delete a review just because they told you to. So I felt that too because other people need to know, and that really shows you how important your reviews are. Whether you like something or not, review everything, you guys. Just always review it. I usually forget on Alibaba to review. Just review. But this company really, really, really tried it. But yeah, I'm keeping the review up. I mean, it's really nothing they can give me at this point. Maybe they could refund the logo fee. I don't know, but I don't think I'd be working with them again. It's just crazy how when I was talking about, oh, I didn't like it and I issued the little dispute and stuff, she was like, no, I can't help you, basically. She was just shrugging me off. But now all of a sudden, people getting fired, you're gonna beg me to change it. You should have helped me when I came to you with a problem about the order in the first place. But okay, anyway, I really do like the way these turned out though. It's cute. Let's look at these new lashes. So I ordered this is a different vendor. I ordered a lot of the old lashes because it seems like now I kind of got the lashes that most people like. At first I've been trying out different styles and stuff. And that's why I've been rotating some in and out like that because it was just trying to learn my audience more. So I kept a lot of them and I only have 8 new styles. Let me show you all this. So my mom actually found this book at Goodwill or something. It's a casino gambling book, super thick. So I've just been looking through here. I was taking notes today. Just about terms I like in here. This is look at how little those words are. At first I would just Google casino terms and stuff because I don't know that many. But it's nice to have this book. It's literally everything in here. But let's look at these lashes. Okay, so here are the names I've picked out. I was thinking of doing Jack of all trades, but that may be too long to fit on the boxes. So I was just thinking Jack of clubs or Jack something with Jack. Blind Luck, Hustler, Razzle Dazzle, No Amateur, Bingo, Power Play, Lottery, and Beat the Odds. So let's see like what speaks to me. And let me show you all these. Okay, so this is the first style, and I was actually disappointed because I didn't order these. They ended up switching like a number with these, and these were supposed to be like a pair I used to have, so now I have to rename these. But I love how dramatic they are. They are ultra wispy. I feel like they need a like powerful name. So let's do No Amateur, because only like experienced lash wearers would want lashes this dramatic. So that's what we're gonna do. These were like so crazy to me, but it's not something like I've seen a lot of lash companies have. Something like this, it has the wisp and everything. I want something like, I want like creative pairs. This pair looked like really feathery to me. Let's do Razzle Dazzle. I feel like that is definitely Razzle Dazzle. So I'm going to write that in my book. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and sit this pair to the side because I need to keep this pair for myself, at least one of these. But it is super duper wispy. And it's not, it's like nowadays, so like I love how this vendor, like they usually have the inches posted, well the millimeters posted. So these are like 18 millimeters or something, 18 or 20. And it seems like I actually enjoy 18 to 20 millimeter lashes now. These, they look gorgeous. Let's do Hustler. Okay, these are like more of a natural pair, but it also gives like a So I think that's cute. It does have like it has like longer hairs down here. Be really cute for people that don't have like a lot of eyelid space from their eye to their brows. So let's do Bingo for these. Okay, ooh, this pair is super duper wispy and it's short. So if that's something you want, these are for you. They are like super thick and wispy. Like, look at that. I really like these too. I want to try these. These can be Beat the Odds, because even though they're short, they beat the odds, basically, yeah. Okay, so I wanted something with like a winged effect and also wispy. Oh, my hair is a mess. But I really, really like these. These remind me of my Blackjack lashes, actually. I think I'm just gonna call these Blackjack because that's what I'm getting for these. So I'm just gonna rename them Blackjack. The only time I recycle names is if it looks really, really similar to the pair I had in the past, because then it's no point. But the longer my business goes on, I will eventually be recycling like stuff if I can't think of a new name. Some of these look kind of similar to me, actually. We have this pair. I really, really like the wispiness in these. I still have the cover on it, but I can tell they're wispy. I can see what they're working with. So let's go ahead and do Blind Luck for these. One of these looks like Counterfeit, a pair I used to have. Let me see, hold on. So these are the two pairs we have left. One could be Lottery and the other one will be, oh, it looks like Card Counter. That's the one it looks like. So that's why I'm gonna rename this one will be Card Counter, not Counterfeit. I knew it looked really familiar. And this last one name I really wanted to use was Lottery, so we'll just call this one Lottery. Okay, so bam, for the rest of the day, I'm gonna be taking product pictures. I have so much to do. It just seems like my work is never, ever, ever done, ever. If I'm not sending an email, posting on Instagram, taking product pictures, trying to find new inventory, looking for influencers. Now, I'm really finna go crazy in 2021. Not even in 2021. I don't even want to say I'm gonna wait that long, but I think it may take me longer to get like my ducks in a row. But I have so many plans, you guys. So many. It's finna get hectic. Hectic. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Help me get to 10K. We're close. I can't believe, oh my god. Just thinking about, like, that's a lot of people. And like, that's really different from Instagram or something, because you all have to listen to what I say. And that is crazy. That means you all care enough about what I say, to sign up for notifications, to know whenever I got something to say, you want to know what I have to say. And that is insane. Thank you all. That's crazy. Thank you all. Thank you all so much. That's really cool. Thank you all. We are so close. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day, you guys. Bye.